If you're planning to build a website, GoDaddy has hosting plans with discounts of up to 60%, plus a free domain and other useful features. To access the latest GoDaddy hosting offer, simply click the link in the video description. We're already on the official GoDaddy website. GoDaddy is a popular platform for domains, web hosting, WordPress websites, and other online services. From here, you can explore different hosting options and choose the one that fits your website. Now let's move to the hosting plans. Here, we can see options like Web Hosting Economy and Hosting for WordPress Basic. For this tutorial, we'll select Hosting for WordPress Basic. This plan is currently 60% off and costs $5.99 per month for the first 3-year term. It includes one website, 10 GB NVMe storage, a free domain, free SSL with no renewal fees, and managed WordPress hosting. Let's select the WordPress Basic plan and click Buy Now. Now we're on the checkout page. Here, you can review your hosting plan, subscription term, domain, and final price. The free domain is included with the hosting plan, so you can search for and select your preferred domain during the setup. You'll also see a coupon code field. Enter a valid GoDaddy coupon and apply it, then check the final price before completing your purchase. Once everything looks correct, enter your account and payment details and complete the checkout. For more related discount videos, subscribe to our channel.